There's a number of small items I still need for this Red 124 project. One that's not so small is the Radiator Shroud, and also this little cover that goes on the side of the headlight. I have one side here, but the other side is missing. Now, it wasn't me that lost that, that was already gone by the time I got this car. And if you're wondering what the original Shroud looks like, it looks like absolute trash, and it is broken as well. On all surfaces it's just old and crusty and has baked in dirt and grease. I have tried cleaning it, but it just doesn't look nice. And also the hook that goes on the top of the radiator is snapped off as well. That's something else the previous owners have done to this car. So I'd really like to get a better one or a new one if they are still available. That's where that hook slots in to the top of the radiator. The other thing I'm missing is the plastic splash shield that goes around to the ECU area behind the battery here. I'd say that's right-hand drive specific because it does fit perfectly under the windscreen there. The bracket for that ECU also looks like garbage, but I can probably restore that. Oddly, I'm also missing the plastic nuts that go on the tray that fits below the fuel pump package. I'm not actually finished in that area, so it's not a great emergency. I still have to fit the correct accumulator and metal hardline for the M104 series. That's also on my to-do list. And obviously some wheels with rubber, but they're on the way. They're actually getting refurbished right now. And hopefully I shall have those mid-December. And if I'm still in the country by then, because I am still going away for work, I will be fitting them to the car ASAP. Something else I did today, because I had several cans left over, I've actually blacked out the window in my shed because I just don't like the lack of privacy and the light that's able to get in there. It looks kind of terrible from the inside. I don't really care. The shed is not something to look nice anyway, it's functional. But from the outside it just looks like heavily tinted glass, so that's possible. The other thing I need for the Red 124 is these seals that go at the front of the hood. This is not life and death. In fact, I haven't even noticed any abnormal noises from them not being on there. They do have plastic integrated clips and they're all broken off the original ones. And they look like trash anyway, so I'm not really that worried if I can't get replacements. I think they're going NLA if they aren't already, so I don't really care about that, but I'll see.